When we think of Buddhist parenting, we might picture a child who is perfectly calm, never gets angry, and just meditates. We might think it's about creating a peaceful little bubble for our family, completely separate from the tough, competitive, digital world. But what if that's not it at all? What if Buddhist parenting isn't about denying reality? What if it's about giving your children the most advanced tools available to navigate that reality with skill, with strength, and with an open heart? Hello, and thank you for joining our conversation here at the Mindful Compass. Today, we're talking about parenting. How do we raise children who are resilient, who can get knocked down by life and get back up, and compassionate, who can feel for others in a world that often encourages the opposite? This is hard enough already, but we are doing it in a high-pressure, digital, and competitive landscape that can feel designed to create anxiety and isolation. The Buddhist path doesn't offer hacks or tricks. Instead, it offers a profound and stable foundation. It teaches that you cannot tell your child to be resilient. You must show them. You don't instruct them in compassion. You model it. The core of Buddhist parenting is not what you make your child do. It's what you practice. Your child learns from your way of being. Here is a way to understand your role. The analogy: weaving the emotional wetsuit. Think of your parenting as providing your child with an emotional wetsuit for navigating the cold, unpredictable, and often rough ocean of the world. The ocean is the competition, the social media pressure, the failures, the heartbreaks. You cannot change the ocean. Some parenting styles just throw the kids in and yell, "Be tough." That's the sink or swim method. Other styles try to keep them on the beach forever, building a wall to protect them from the water. That's the bubble method. The Buddhist path is about skillfully, patiently weaving a wetsuit for them. This suit is made of two fibers. One, the fiber of resilience. This is woven by teaching them about impermanence. When they fail a test and say, "My life is over," your calm, loving presence is the wetsuit. You don't just say, "It's fine." You say, "I see you're in so much pain. This feeling is huge. Let's sit with it." You show them that feelings, even the worst ones, are like weather. They arrive, they storm, and they pass. They are not permanent, and they are not who we are. 2. The fiber of compassion. This is woven by teaching them about interconnection. In a digital world, it's easy to forget there's a real person behind the screen. Compassion is the practice of reminding them. How do you think that comment feels to the person who receives it? "I see you're celebrating your win." That's wonderful. Can we also feel happy for the person who won second place? You are weaving their heart into the world. So, what does this weaving look like on a Tuesday afternoon? When your child is having a meltdown over a like count on social media, you have a choice. The bubble parent might just ban the phone, causing a war. The wetsuit parent sits with them and gets curious. Tell me how that feels in your body when you're waiting for that like. Is it tight? Is it buzzy? You are teaching them mindfulness, to observe their feelings without being consumed by them. This is how you weave the fiber of resilience. When your child is fiercely competing at school, you have a choice. The sink or swim parent might say, "You have to crush them." The wetsuit parent introduces a radical idea. It's great to do your best, but your worth is not based on being number one. And you model this. You praise their effort, not just the A. You praise their kindness to a teammate even more than you praise their goal. This is how you weave the fiber of compassion. You are the chief weaver. And your primary tools are your own mindfulness and your own compassion. This practice is for you, the parent. It is perhaps the most powerful technique of all. It's for that moment when you are deep in your phone or laptop and your child interrupts you. This is a high-friction, everyday moment. I call this the hello, I see you pause. 1. Your child calls your name. Your first habitual feeling is annoyance. I'm busy. 2. Pause. Just for 1 second. Notice that annoyance feeling in your own chest. Don't act on it. 3. Take 1 breath. This breath is for you. 4. Act skillfully. Put your phone down or turn your face away from the screen. Turn your body toward your child. Make eye contact. 5. Say, hello, I see you. That's it. You might then say, I need 1 minute to finish this. Or, what's on your mind? But in that 1 second pause, you have just modeled everything. You have shown them, with your actions, that they are more important than the digital world. You have modeled mindfulness, emotional regulation, and love. You just added a powerful new stitch to their wetsuit. Buddhist parenting isn't about raising a Buddhist child. It's about being a mindful, compassionate, and present parent. You are not trying to build a bubble to protect them from the ocean of life. You are giving them the inner skills to swim. You are weaving that suit, stitch by stitch, with every mindful breath, every pause, and every compassionate response you have, starting with yourself. This is beautiful, hard work. Let's support each other. First, please share this video with any parent, guardian, or teacher you know who is also trying to navigate this beautiful, difficult path. Second, in the comments, I'd love to hear your wisdom. What's one small way you found to connect with your child or to model resilience for them? Your experience is a teaching for all of us. And third, if you find this path of inquiry valuable and wish to continue these conversations, I warmly invite you to subscribe and follow our channel. Thank you for joining this conversation. May you be well. May you be peaceful. And may you and your children find the strength and compassion to navigate this world together.